We're going to do the 50-hour service on my Kubota LX3310. The tractor is new to me. I've got just over 50 hours on it. Picked up all the supplies at my dealership and going to get it done. Haven't seen a lot of videos specifically with this model tractor on YouTube, so I thought I'd post my efforts. Please be kind in the comments. This is my first tractor of this type and the first time doing the 50-hour service, but I think I can do it justice. So thanks for coming along and watching me do the 50-hour service on the Kubota tractor. Okay, we're looking under the tractor, looking forward towards the front axle and bucket to orient you. Here are the two drain plugs, 17 millimeter. So we'll take both of those out and get this thing draining. Okay. Loose. There's one. And two. There's a little washer on here too. All right, I'm gonna go open the top up so it drains out better. Okay, there I got the top taken off for the fill to help the engine oil drain. Okay, we got all the oil drained. We're gonna get this filter off. Filter wrench. Too bad. Now the new one, 50 hours. Put a little bit of oil on the seal as well. Too tight. All right, let's go down underneath and put the drain plugs back in. 1 gallon to start. Took a long funnel. About a 15-inch funnel. Should be 5 quarts total, according to page 29 of the book. Okay, there's 2 hydraulic filters. A big one and a little one. The little one is located on the side of the tractor in front of the rear wheel. We'll do that one first. Okay, this is looking towards the rear of the tractor. The back wheels, this is the first hydraulic filter. No, that's on tight. Oh, that didn't come off too bad. Okay, got the first one. Next one ready. Not too bad. Here's the other filter on the opposite side. So here's one we just changed. And then over here is the other one. Lots of clearance under here, lots of room to get at it. So I'm going to climb on from the other side with the larger filter. Okay, here's the fill for the hydraulic oil. On the dipstick, but let's put a little. I'll run it and then check it again. There, now we're well on the dipstick. This guy. Last thing I'm going to check is the air filter. Got a brand new one here. We were doing a lot of work, move a lot of dirt, and I don't think it hurts to switch it out. It says to do it annually. Cheap insurance. There's 3 little clips on here. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna put those. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah, good call. So, before and new. Good call, change that now. The inner filter doesn't look too bad. So the outer one's doing its job. Alright, well, let's fire it up. Check for leaks. Okay, next step, we'll go through the book, page 118, make sure I hit all the grease certs. I'm pretty good about doing every 10 hours or more, but I just want to go through the book step by step, make sure I don't miss anything. First one's underneath the tractor and a bunch around, and we'll get those done. So the first one is on the pedal under here. Okay, got a couple on the top link and the back link. You all done. Okay, the next step, page 119 is wheel bolt torque, 17 millimeter, 67 to 77 pounds. Alright, through the rear bolts. and that one's a 22 millimeter. Well, we've got everything done in the book here under maintenance. We've changed the oil, the filter for the oil, transmission oil filters, hydraulic oil filter, transmission fluid. We checked the level in the front axle transfer case, and checked the engine start system. We did the greasing. We greased the loader too, just in case it needed to be done. Check the wheel bolt torque on the front and rear tires. Check the battery condition. Replace the air cleaner because it was dirty. Check the fuel filter. Fuel filter looks good. The float's at the bottom. And that is it for the 50-hour service. So hopefully that was helpful to see how I did this on my Kubota LX3310. Now we got some work to do. Have yourself a great day. If you enjoyed the content and found it helpful, let me know. If you have any questions or something you saw that I could have done better, please let me know in the comments. And if you find my channel interesting, I'd be honored if you hit the subscribe button. Thank you, and have yourself a wonderful afternoon. Enjoy the fall weather. Here are all the supplies that I purchased at my dealership to do the 50-hour service. The oil, the air filter, hydraulic fluid, and all of the filters that I needed, as well as the grease gun. I spent about $150 for all the materials to do the 50-hour service. If you found this interesting and helpful, I'd appreciate it if you would like the video and subscribe. I've got some more tractor-related projects coming to add to the channel. Thanks, and have an awesome day.